Picture this: Robert Hershey's at a kitchen table, rubbing his temples over a jumble of bills, mortgage papers, and statements. His head swimming with numbers he doesn't trust, let alone understand. But then, a light bulb moment, he realizes math isn't the enemy, it's the secret weapon that turns confusion into clarity and mere dollars into real wealth. What if the numbers you fear could be your richest allies instead? Stick around, Hershey's about to prove it. We all see percentages every day: sales, interest rates, fees, but most folks miss how these tiny numbers steer your money ship. Let's unlock why percentages are the quiet game changers of finance. Hershey tells the story of Cindy, a retail worker in Omaha who ignored her 18% credit card rate until the surprise hit her like a freight train. A $1,000 charge snowballed into $1,180 in just 1 year, and that's without new spending. Her small rate robbed her without mercy. It's not about debt alone, but what those percentages silently do over time. Think of percentages like traffic lights for your money. Green means go invest, red means stop and reconsider, yellow means caution and calculate. They keep the flow steady or stop you from crashing financially. Mastering percent means knowing when to accelerate your savings or slam on the brakes with spending. Here's the kicker: sentences like invest at 7% sound modest until Hershey shows you the magic of compounding interest. What feels small today becomes a towering oak over years. Compound interest isn't just math, it's patience multiplied, turning pennies into thousands without breaking a sweat. Ever wonder why a dollar today is more valuable than a dollar tomorrow? Hershey breaks down this paradox with a story that'll flip your view on time and cash forever. Tom, a plumber in Detroit, was offered $10,000 now or $11,000 in a year, no catch. Easy choice? Nope. Tom chose to wait, but Hershey points out inflation and lost investment opportunities meant that $11,000 a year later was closer to $9,500 in today's terms. That choice cost him real buying power. Time wasn't on Tom's side after all. Here's how Hershey illustrates it. Imagine money as popcorn popping. One kernel popped now is more valuable than the same still-in-the-bag kernel later. The popping time is money's real secret. The earlier you pop or use your money well, the more you get. Waiting misses valuable popcorn growth moments. The payoff: when you think with this clock ticking, you build savings that earn interest now, not later. You avoid waiting to start or falling for delayed rewards that shrink. Hershey's formula helps you juggle cash flow so you enjoy spending and saving simultaneously, money now and money later. Risk sounds scary, but Hershey flips it as math's secret weapon. When you understand risk through numbers, it's less gambling, more strategy. Here's how risk transforms from threat to ally. Sarah, a teacher from Philadelphia, overpaid thousands for insurance she didn't need, afraid to bet against risk. Hershey's example shows how she bought coverage for every tiny risk but ignored the big picture math: premiums versus actual probability. Math revealed she could save money and still stay covered. Panic made her blind to the numbers. Risk is like a poker game where knowing the odds beats bluffing every time. Hershey compares it to black, white, and red poker chips, chances stacked in your favor if you understand the mix. It's not about avoiding risk, but calculating when to call, fold, or raise, turning fear into calculated moves.